Ma'am, let's go. Ma'am, let's go. Ma'am, come on. Listen, stop acting, because it's as simple as you pay up and there's no harm, no foul.
Yeah.
But now I'm going to take it for resisting and...
On May 24th, 2023, police officers responded to a call in reference to a woman skipping out on her tab at Applebee's. When the police intervened, the woman became hysterical.
Did you just leave Applebee's? No. No? Well, they were pointing at you. Huh? Were you at Applebee's? They saying that, you sure? Yeah. Oh, okay. Hey, how you doing? This is Officer Camacho with the Dallas Police Department. So one of your employees was pointing out a person that ran out on the tab, but they said the female that's underneath the tent is not in a scooter. There is a heavyset female that's on a scooter over here by the Suntrans stop. So I'm trying to confirm.
That she walked out on says she'll have like a design by her eye, like makeup design.
Okay. All right. So is the heavyset female then? Okay, perfect.
The police found her at the bus stop. When approached, she pretended to be asleep and refused to cooperate. Even though all she had to do was pay the $8 bill to resolve everything peacefully, she chose not to.
Sir. So sorry. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah, it's 14.
Listen, this can go really easy or it can go bad for you. You decide how you want to do it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, let's go. All you gotta do is pay whatever you ate and that's it. Let's go. I don't want to hurt you. Come on. The person's just acting like they're asleep. They're refusing to move. Ma'am, let's go. Ma'am, let's go. Ma'am, come on. Let's go. Ma'am, let's go. All you gotta do is pay what you owe them and you're not gonna go to jail. If you keep resisting, I'm gonna charge you with resisting and I'm gonna take you to jail. You understand that? Do you understand that? Staying quiet is not gonna change what's gonna happen, okay?
The police patiently explained that if she continued playing the pretend to sleep game, she would be arrested.
Pay, she won't go to jail, but she wants to keep playing games, but she decided to skip on the check. Simple. All they wanted was for her to pay. I made contact with her when she was at the bus stop. She's like, no, I wasn't at Applebee's, and they were not 100%. So I called the info. They're like, no, yes, it was her, and she got decide on the eye. So I come in, and now she's acting like she's asleep. She don't want to move, and I'm gonna hurt her trying to pull her out of here.
Shig's about to pull up, so we can have all three.
That's her bag, and I'm telling her like, listen, stop acting. Because it's as simple as you pay up and there's no harm, no foul.
Yeah.
But now I'm gonna take her for resisting and it's on her. I don't get why people gotta do stuff like that.
Man, can we talk about this real quick? This can go a lot easier if you just talk to us, okay? Nobody wants to hurt you.
10-13 Hotel, 10-13.
Can you tell us your name?
13.
She was fine when I talked to her at the bus station. As soon as she seen me bored, that's what she did. I mean, if I gotta book her as Jane Doe, that's what it's gonna be. Not what I really want to do. Swear to God, bro. So I saw her board the bus, so I stopped the bus. I get in, now she's acting like she's asleep. I'm telling her, listen, all they want is pay the tab, no harm, no foul. I gave her a bunch of chances, talk to me. If not, I'm gonna charge her with resisting. At this point, this is where we at. But
the police had to pull her up and escort her. All it would have taken was $8, but she chose to pay the price with jail time.
Probably need a second. Ma'am, you understand you're being arrested? We'll probably need another pair.
White male, 50 years of age, jeans, short, gray or green, muscle shirt, tattoos from the neck down, like Kelly.
Yeah, we're gonna need definitely another pair.
Injuries, bicycle, animal 548, on his name, 600.
Come on. Ma'am, stand up. You don't want you hurting yourself. You don't want you hurting any officers. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
you. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up. Come on. We don't want to drag you out.
Get
here.
up.
Just stand up.
Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Up.
Stand.
Come on. Come on.
All the way.
Get up.
Can't.
Yes, you can.
Stand all the way
I
up.
have 400 some pounds.
Come on. You can
Count
get
to
up.
3. Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
Come
Let's
on.
go. There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Thank you. Is this her bag?
Yeah, that's her bag.
Walk out.
Thank you.
The suspect was apprehended and taken to the county jail charged with skipping out on the bill and resisting arrest. Also using the bus as an escape route, but while the previous Karen stayed silent,